Hi everyone, it's me again, and today I want to do one more video tutorial with you. I want to create some monotone, a little bit of graphic look, and we will use a pencil for that, and all product list which I will use on myself you can see just down in your inbox. I already prepared my face. I apply foundation, contouring, a little bit of blush, eyebrows, whatever. Contouring a little more intense than it should be because I will use a black color on my eyes and everything will just absorb later into my skin, and I just want to receive more contouring, more contrast face for this makeup look. So I'm done with my one side of my eye, and you can see that it will be some sort of angled cut crease look with a middle part is like clear, and it looks like two volumes meet together in the center, and at the same time it's make your eyes definitely bigger. It's again not for every day, but I think for girls which like to play with makeup it will be pretty interesting and not usual makeup. Also, this makeup will be pretty hard to do on a video, and I will try to do my best, so you just have to follow step by step to repeat it. And let's zoom my eye and start with this makeup. So first of all, what we have to do, we grab well sharpened pencil and create like a direction line to our eye, and from start I create like a light line for my future eyeliner, which I duplicate, and with both eye and just above my crease I start to draw this line. And now in a closer mirror I have to just intensify this line because it's not possible to do on camera. So that is what we receive in the end, and now I will start to blend little by little all these lines and to connect it with blending. So here our final look only with pencil. It's like a shape for our eyeshadows, and now I will take only black matte eyeshadows and just fix this form and make it a little bit bigger in need if I will want to make my eyes more open. Next, what I will do, I grab beige pigment, shimmering one from Makeup Forever, to apply it under my brow and lightly touch edges to blend it better into the skin. And I do not touch my lid at all. With pigments, I will just draw a little eyeliner over my lash line. I apply just eyeliner to connect all the form with my eye, and with black pencil just fill my waterline. And with wet brush and same pigment I just applied it to my inner corner and stretch it till the center of my eye, and I just back to brush with a black color and lightly touch zone under this eye So we finished with our makeup. I apply a little bit of mascara, contouring, some light pink lipstick on my lips, and you can see the final result. And if you want to make it maybe a little bit more wearable than it is, you always can remove this inner corner element, so leave only this angle. You can change and play with colors. You can do it in some brownish, more neutral colors, and maybe it will be more wearable for you. But for me, for example, it's definitely not a makeup to go out on the streets. I don't know, I'm more minimalistic person for my own makeup, but if we are talking about plain makeup, it can be pretty interesting. So I hope this makeup will be helpful for you, and if you will repeat it, just tag me or let me see your work on Instagram. Also visit my Instagram page. In working with Instagram page, you can see a lot of different makeups variations, which I do by my own, on models, which I do with my students on classes, and you always can be inspired with some very interesting makeup. Again, idea of my channel, it is not about promotion of products. Of course, I always repeat to people products which I truly like. I'm not sponsored. I want to inspire people. I want to give you ideas with makeup first of all, and not sitting and be like a blogger, because first of all, I'm a makeup artist with a huge experience behind me, and I think that if I will sit and speak about products, it will be maybe interesting for someone. Of course, it is the easiest way to get people watch you, but for me, I just want to do what I like, and I really like makeup, and the easiest and fastest way to do it is to do it on my own, but it is like it is. So again, I hope you like it. Visit my Instagram page, comment down, ring the bell, subscribe, whatever you want to do, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.